Hello friends, Mohammad Kazim Sheikh here. Another lecture on vocabulary, or you can say vocabulary enhancement. Today we'll concentrate on uh, a word. You can call it a word, or you can call it suffix side, C-I-D-E, side, C-I-D-E. In many words you have found, you might have found this particular suffix side. What is the meaning of this particular side? And basically, what is the root of this word side? Okay, so it is derived from Latin root cadre, C-A-E-D-E-R-E, cadre, cadre, which means to kill. So wherever this particular suffix appears, CIDE, so you should remember that it is associated with killing, one or the other type of killing. Okay, uh, so side has Latin root cadre. See, it is pronounced cadre, but when it is used in English as a compound word, as a part of the compound word, then it becomes side. Okay, which means to kill. So uh, let us concentrate on different words. Let us talk about various words made through this suffix, that is side. First, insecticide. You know very well insecticide. Here, this is a compound word. Side is the suffix, not prefix. Side is the suffix. Killing of deadly insects by the use of chemicals. So if you're killing the insect by the use of chemicals, then it is called as insecticide. Okay. Then another very popular word is pesticide. That means all the substance and chemical used to kill the pest. Now pest means what? P-E-S-T. And pest means any particular animal or different types of insects, small animals you can call, or insects which are harmful to food or the plant. They are called as pest. Okay, so pesticide, all the substance and chemicals used to kill the pest. Then another is suicide. Sui means self. So if you're killing your own self, isn't it? That means that is called as suicide, and it is very popular word. Suicide. Now some very interesting words. Sororicide, Sororicide, sororicide means what? Killing of the sister. If you're killing your own sister, then it is called sororicide. Soror, 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 which means sister. Side means killing. So therefore, killing of the sister. Parricide. Parricide means killing of close relative, very close relative. Generally, if you're killing a very close relative, that is called parricide. But nowadays, this particular parricide is used for parent. That means if you're killing your parent, one of the parents or both the parents, that it is called parricide. Okay. Then canicide, 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 killing of canine. Canine is the word for dog. Killing of canine, that is dog. Then another word is epicide. Epicide, borrowed from apis. In Latin, uh, apis means bees. Isn't it? मधुमक्खियां जिसको कहते हैं, isn't it? Thus, if you kill the bees, then it will be called as epicide. Maybe because of you can kill in different ways, through fire, through chemicals. So this word means epicide. Epicide, okay, which means borrowed from Latin. Apis, it is borrowed from Latin. Okay, it's the Latin word apis. So apis means bees, and side means killing. So epicide means killing of bees. Okay. Uxoricide, uxoricide, uxoricide. In Latin, uxor means wife. So therefore, the killing of wife is called uxoricide. Uxoricide. Filicide, killing of either son or daughter. Killing of either, इससे पहले हमने देखा था killing of daughter, killing of sister. Sororicide. Here, killing of son or daughter. If you are killing your own son, that is also filicide. Killing of your daughter is also filicide. In Latin, son is called as filius and daughter is called as filia. Okay? Another word is avicide. Avicide. Avicide means killing of aves. Again, aves is the Latin word for birds. So if you're killing birds, it is called avicide. And this uh, avicide, it was conducted by some years ago in 80s by the Chinese authorities, isn't it? They killed the birds on a large scale. The reason for that, because the population of birds increased alarmingly, destroying the what we say crops. So, and as you know, in China there is communist government. There is no remorse or guilt associated with China, communism. So that's why they carried out this avicide, that means killing of birds on a large scale. Okay, so avis, killing, avis is bird, so killing of birds is called avicide. Okay, so I hope you understood. So these words are very very important. Now, in many words you must have seen this particular suffix logy, L-O-G-Y. So wherever this particular suffix or this logy appears, it means it is the study of something. Okay, it has Greek origin. Okay, suppose if I say ornithology, ornithology, it is the study of birds. And in India, India has produced one of the greatest ornithologist named Salim Ali, one of the greatest. Okay, Salim Ali, and very famous, and or we can call him as an ornithologist par excellence, who Dr. Salim Ali. Then uh, etology, it is not otology, etology, eto, eto, et means ear, et spelling will be ot. At means ear, logy means study. So if you are studying the ear related diseases, or if you are studying uh, the anatomy of ear or study of ear diseases, then it is called as etology. Etology. Then another word is gerontology. It is not gerontology, it is gerontology. Gerontology, gerontology, Gerentology. Gerontology, study of the problems of aged people. Okay, their diseases, their psychological problems, their physical problems. So, a very old person is there. So that person must go or should go to a qualified gerontologist, the one who deals with old people and their problems or diseases, psychological diseases, physical diseases. Okay, another word is herpetology. Herpetology, this is a branch of biology. Okay, here you study amphibians and reptiles, scientific study of amphibians and reptiles. Now when we say amphibian, that means the animals who can live both in water as well as uh, on the land, they are called amphibians. Okay, reptiles, amphibians are studied under this particular category of biology, that is herpetology. Herpetology. Another word is entomology or entomologist. Who is an entomologist? The one who studied entomology. Here by mistake I have written entomologist. Actually it should be entomology. Entomology is the scientific study of insects. Okay, and who is an entomology and who is an entomologist? The one who study insects scientifically. Okay, that person will be called as entomologist, and the study will be scientific study will be called as entomology. So this mistake is there. Okay, minor. Similarly, paleontology, it is not paleontology, paleontology. Paleontology is the scientific study of fossils. Doesn't you know very well what are fossil fuels? If you are studying uh, the if you are studying the fossils, then it will be called as paleontology. Paleontology. Okay, so this is the short, a very short and sweet lesson, you can call it, on vocabulary, and I hope I am successful in enhancing your vocabulary. Thank you.